What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. 1 versus 1 quick races. First race, we've got the Lamborghini Murcielago SV, brand new car, and the Bugatti Chiron Zamac edition. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Bugatti Chiron takes the win. Next race, we've got some imports. We've got the Toyota Supra going up against the Honda S2000. Who's gonna take this one? On your mark, get set, go! S2000 takes the win by a few car lengths. We got a couple of Jeeps up for our next race. First, it's the Jeep Gladiator with the motorbikes on the back, and it's going up against the Jeep Wrangler. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! All the Gladiators out ahead. Gladiator takes the win. And our next race is up. We've got the Corvette ZR1 convertible, and that's going up against the 2020 Shelby GT500 Mustang. Who's gonna take this one? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! All the Mustangs out ahead. The Mustang takes the win by a few car lengths over the Corvette. For our next race, we have the Ram Rebel right there. Nice brand new casting, and it's going up another new one. It's the Ford SVT Lightning. Here we go. Who's gonna take this one? On your mark, get set, go! The Lightning's out ahead. The Lightning takes the win, beating out the Ram. We got a couple of really nice hypercars for this one. It's the Kona Egg Jesco going up against the McLaren Speedtail. What a race. Let's find out who's gonna take this one. On your mark, get set, go! The Speedtail's out ahead. The Speedtail takes the win, beating out the Kona Egg Jesco. We got a couple of low trucks for our next race. It's the GMC Cyclone pickup truck going against the 83 Chevy Silverado. Let's see which truck takes this race. On your mark, get set, go! The Cyclone's out ahead. Cyclone takes the win. Porsche versus Tesla. It's the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo going up against the Tesla Model 3. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, it's a close one. The Porsche just goes ahead. It's the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid that takes the win against the Tesla Model 3. A couple of high-end luxury SUV / truck. We've got the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 by Matchbox versus the Lamborghini Urus from Hot Wheels. Let's find out who takes the win. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, it's a close one. The Lambo gets ahead. Lamborghini takes the win, beating out the 6x6, which flipped over. We got a couple of fantasy cars going head-to-head on this race. The Pixel Shaker going up against El Viento. Let's see who takes this one. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, it's close. El Viento gets the win right ahead there, beating out the Pixel Shaker. Check out this race. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Party Wagon versus the Range Rover Velar. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, the Party Wagon gets out ahead. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Party Wagon beats out the Range Rover Velar. Porsche 911 GT3 RS versus the brand new Bentley Continental GT3. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! The Bentley's out ahead. Bentley takes the win. Not even close. That Porsche takes a loss. Nice race, Bentley. Audi R8 Spider in red versus the Dodge Challenger Dodge Demon. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! The Demon's out ahead. The Demon, oh, it's close. Oh, it's the Audi that takes the win and then flips over. Audi R8 Spider, what a race. McLaren P1 versus Ferrari FX. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, it's a close one. Ferrari's out ahead. McLaren's out ahead. Who's taking the win? It's the McLaren P1 that takes the win over the Ferrari FXX. Audi RS6 Avant versus Duck and Roll. All right, let's see it. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Audi's out ahead. Come on, Duck and Roll. No, it's just the win for the Audi. Duck and Roll, you're too slow. And our next race, the Lamborghini Veneno in white going up against the Bone Shaker. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Lamborghini's out ahead. Bone Shaker's coming on. Oh, it's the Lamborghini. The Bone Shaker was just a little bit too slow. 92 Mustang LX versus the Dodge Dart. Couple of muscle cars. On your mark, get set, go! The Dodge Dart, the Mustang's out ahead. Mustang takes the win. Dodge Dart flips over with the loss. Mazda RX3 brand new casting going up against the new recolored Erkenstein Rod. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Mazda's out ahead. Can the Erkenstein Rod come? No! It's a win for the Mazda RX3. 2018 Ford Mustang GT versus the Camaro ZR1. Who's gonna take this one of these nice muscle cars? On your mark, get set, go! Mustang's out ahead. Mustang's out ahead. Camaro, you're too slow. Come on, Camaro. Another Mustang in this one, the Mustang Boss 302 going up against the Corvette C63. Can Chevy get some redemption for that last loss? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, the Mustang's way out ahead this time. Mustang takes the win. Chevy, you're too slow in that Corvette. Wow, guys, some absolutely fantastic 1v1 races. In the comments section down below, let me know which was your favorite race from our races today, and let me know which cars you want to see go up against each other on our next 1v1 racing.